Welcome. I'm your coach Sidekick. What's your name?
Hey, I'm Ben.
Is it Ben? Excellent. Ben, we're going to learn online like you've never learned before. No boring tutorials, just by practicing. Are you ready? Select a course to get started. Welcome to this challenge. First, head over to canva.com and create a free account if you haven't already. Welcome to your new challenge. Click and drag on the canvas to draw your first frame.
Okay, like that.
Great! You've added a frame to the canvas. Now, on the right-hand side in the Properties panel, you can change the background color of the frame. Go ahead and experiment with different colors. Great. Done! Next challenge. Now I see the layout applied. Great job figuring it out. Click the next tableau avec 3 colonnes. Nom de l'article, quantité et prix. Entre au moins 5 articles. Sélectionne la ligne d'en-tête et mets le texte en gras pour qu'il ressorte. As-tu réussi à ajouter les colonnes?
Attends, j'y vais. Je prends mon temps. Donc les colonnes en gras.
Give me an example. I don't know what I should create.
How about creating a GPT that explains complex topics in simple terms, like a Science Explained for Kids GPT?